At the ASIN level, I can click on search terms. What this is going to do is show me the top organic search terms. So essentially, page one search terms. We don't go beyond. And in fact, I was recently reading an article, if not to go another tangent, about Google's going to stop showing or ranking rather results after page 20 or something like this when you search on Google. This is what I
Mm-hmm.
read. It's kind of a crazy time we're entering. But anyway, so these are the top organic search terms. We've identified 100 search terms. You will see, obviously, hammer is the main one. You'll see the monthly search volume. You'll see the trend of the search term. You'll see buyer's intent. You'll see a track of the ranking of this product. And I don't know if Scott showed this stuff. I forget if he showed
I
went
can't
this deep
recall
on
if
this.
we've seen Rank Maker, to be honest. We might have, but it's always good to see it from another perspective, man. And
I guess I'm just preluding into the because the next thing that I have on the line is relevancy quadrant and keyword detective, which I'm about to go into, but
mhm.
just kind of trying to keep the progression into how
Beautiful, man.
the SmartScout data gets deeper and deeper.
Hmm.
By the way, on SmartScout for any product, so you could see the 30-day organic rank. You could see how that varied over 30 days. If you want to track it into perpetuity, you just click here and hit track. And so now I'm going to be tracking hammer for this ASIN into perpetuity.